A Leo man is known for his charm, confidence, and passion, making him an irresistible partner. If you're interested in making a Leo man obsessed with you, there are a few things you can do to capture his attention and keep him hooked. Here are some tips on how to make a Leo man fall in love with you. Show your confidence. Leos are known for their confidence and self-assuredness, so if you want to attract a Leo man, you need to show off your own confidence as well. Don't be afraid to take the lead in conversation and show off your own talents and accomplishments. Leos appreciate partners who are strong and confident, so let your own confidence shine through. Flatter him. Leos love to be admired and flattered, so make sure you're giving him plenty of attention and compliments. Let him know how much you appreciate his talents, his looks, and his personality. Leos thrive on admiration and attention, so give him plenty of positive feedback to keep him interested in you. Be passionate. Leos are known for their passion and enthusiasm, so make sure you're showing off your own passions as well. Whether it's a hobby, a career, or a cause, make sure you're pursuing your passions with gusto. Leos are attracted to partners who are passionate and driven, so let your own passions shine through. Show off your creativity. Leos are known for their creativity and love of the arts, so if you want to capture a Leo man's attention, show off your own creativity as well. Whether it's through art, music, or writing, let your own creative talents shine through. Leos appreciate partners who are imaginative and artistic, so make sure you're showing off your own creative side. Be playful. Leos have a playful and fun-loving nature, so make sure you're keeping things light and fun when you're with him. Don't be afraid to be a little silly or playful, as Leos love partners who can make them laugh and enjoy life. Keep things upbeat and enjoyable, and he'll be more likely to become obsessed with you. Be supportive. Leos appreciate partners who are supportive and encouraging, so make sure you're there for him when he needs it. Show interest in his goals and aspirations, and help him achieve them. Be his cheerleader and offer him the encouragement he needs to succeed. Leos love partners who are supportive and uplifting, so make sure you're there for him in both good times and bad. Be confident in yourself. Finally, the most important thing you can do to make a Leo man obsessed with you is to be confident in yourself. Leos are attracted to partners who are strong, independent, and self-assured, so make sure you're comfortable in your own skin. Don't be afraid to be yourself and let your own personality shine through. Be confident in who you are, and he'll be more likely to become obsessed with you. If you want to make a Leo man obsessed with you, show off your confidence, flatter him, be passionate, show off your creativity, be playful, be supportive, and be confident in yourself. These tips will help you capture his attention and keep him hooked. Remember, Leos love partners who are confident, self-assured, and passionate, so let your own personality shine through and he'll be sure to become obsessed with you.